Just wanted to show off some of Nurie Creator's basic functions here. I put in cute cat and I got these results. As you can see, very simple. All of these are ready for a coloring book for a PDF. Okay, there's no more editing that you need to do. These are perfectly scaled, enhanced images. Everything created by Nurie Creator is automatically enhanced, boosting its resolution, all that good stuff. Now, I went to a popular, quote unquote, free free AI image generator. And I put in cute cat. This is the first row. Now, of course, I didn't really expect to get coloring images by just putting cute cat. Not like Nurie Creator, where I just have to put in cute cat and I get coloring images ready for my coloring book. So I went ahead and I created a detailed prompt. I'll have it down below if you want it. Create a line art illustration of cute cat using clean, simple lines in a vector format, black and white, suitable for coloring, ensuring no shading, grayscale, or dithering. I added this. I dropped it in here, okay? And then I click generate, and I got these, okay? Now, can't use this, obviously. Can't use this because that's color. I have to get rid of it. And this one has like a green hue to it, which is a no. This is the only one that's close to a coloring book. Even though it's the closest one, I still have to enhance the image. I still have to whiten it because it's not perfectly white. It has kind of a beige type of what's the word? I forgot the word, but it has a type of a kind of beige hue to it. So I have to clean this up as well. So as you can see, Nurie Creator is an AI image generator specifically for coloring books and printable coloring pages. If you have any questions, let me know down below. This is just the basic features of Nurie Creator. It can do much more, and I'll be talking about that in later videos. Have a great day.